Hello, sixth grade, specifically Hello Hunter. Today is Monday, November 2nd, and today in class I passed out grade sheets so people could see what they are doing well at and what they need to start working on. I think one of the things that was true for everybody is we all need to start waggling. If it is assigned, it is due. So make sure that you have your waggle minutes done by Friday evening of each week. This week you'll have 40 total minutes due. I also passed out new spelling lists. And Hunter, your list is orange. You may want to pause this for a second so that you can get all of these words and start practicing. But you have plurals, and so you have words like echoes, what else? Heroes, potatoes, volcanoes, tomatoes. I think that's it. Those words all are the singular form, like volcano, and you just add es to the ends of those words. So like tomatoes and potatoes, you should see the word toes at the end, T-O-E-S. And then words like halves, leaves, scarves. What else is on there? Calves, wolves, and yourselves and bookshelves. Those all have the singular form is spelled with an F at the end, like wolf or calf or yourself. And when you make it plural, the F turns into a V and you add ES. And then I think the rest of the words just have an S tacked on the end to make them plural. So that is your spelling list. And what did we do today? Then we jumped in with, we kind of did a quick review of the last module we ended with, what makes a story worth reading. We talked about out of all of the stories and plays, and there was even an article in there that we read, what were our favorite. And I think the play was probably most people's favorite. And if I get this right, component, local text, display, my book. I think I can get us to the right page here. So we started in on the next module, which is designing innovations. So this might be more up your alley, Hunter, since you are a maker. And we started out by just introducing the unit. It says when you see things and you say, or you say things and you say why, but I dream things that never were and I say why not. So we're just trying to get our brain focused in on, that's okay, focused in on this new module and the idea of coming up with something new and let me turn the page here. Coming up with something new that other people haven't thought of. And we have 4 big idea words for this module. And they are innovations, blueprint, manufacturer, and advances. And here we have a picture of the old style TV and the new flat screen. There have been many innovations to how the television works. And innovation is just a new idea way of doing something. Here is a blueprint of a motorcycle. A blueprint is a plan or a model of something. And your next word is manufacturer. Here you see a bunch of skeins of yarn, it looks like. Actually, that might be 3D printing stuff. A manufacturer is a business that makes goods for sale. A textile manufacturer makes cloth for clothing and furniture, so this is cloth. And the last big idea word is advances. And you can see that there have been many advances in communication. We don't make a phone call every time we need to talk to somebody. We send emails or use our smartphone. We don't have to push really hard to get a letter to type. We have a really easy to use keypad there. Advances in a particular area of study, such as technology or medicine, are improvements in that area. And it says huge advances in information technology, such as laptop computers and smartphones, were made during the 90s and 2000s. So those are your big idea words. We wrote some down in our My Book. I don't know if mine will show you. Nope, it doesn't show. Your class, Hunter, also read the beginning of this, so I would like you to go ahead and read through Design Innovations, read this little part here, and just read about 3D printing. And when you get done reading, you should know at least two ways that they are now using 3D printing to help people. And hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Or not tomorrow, because it's election day. See you Wednesday.